Recently, another product of ad hoc combining naval and land weapons was noticed near the Sevastopol, this time in an attempt to make additional air defense equipment. They mounted an AK-306 anti-aircraft gun on a KAMAZ truck, as shown in a photograph shared by the Crimean Wind community on Telegram. Previously, Russian engineers also had created other chimeras like 2 M3 or 2 UKT shipborne guns, or A-22 Ogon naval MLRS installed on MTLB armored vehicles, although the last recorded sighting dates back to 2023. Among more recent are Russian experiments with RBU-6000 anti-submarine bomb launchers on various platforms. As for the new KAMAZ AK-306 hybrid, the main question is not even why it exists. If anything, the Russian forces fighting against Ukraine have been suffering a shortage of air defense means, but how they managed to mold them together. Basically, it's a 6-barreled 30mm anti-aircraft gun that was intended specifically for weapon nests on ships, fully integrated into the vessel's power and fire control systems. Purpose-wise, AK-306 is a last resort air defense weapon for destroying airborne threats at very close ranges of 4 to 5 kilometers. The gun is usually laid remotely via the Mr. 123 artillery fire control system, which includes a target detection and tracking radar, a television display and controllers, and a collimator column sight as a backup. In addition, they needed to ensure the power supply to the gun. Apparently, somehow Russians managed to solve these technical challenges and redesigned at least one AK-306 for the land chassis, including the control system with calibration of the controls. At the same time, the powerful recoil of this anti-aircraft artillery system raises questions about its accuracy when it's firing at a rate of 4,000 to 5,000 rounds per minute from a KAMAZ standing still. Ordinarily, the total ammunition magazine is 2,000 rounds. Regulation-compliant shooting is done in up to 6 bursts of 200 rounds with a break of 1 second, or 6 bursts of 400 rounds with a 5-second break. The main problem of all similar rapid-fire systems is the short service life of its mechanisms. In this case, the 6-barreled machine gun can endure 8,000 rounds, even with all the preventive maintenance. Noteworthy is the parallel between the Russian hybrid and the invention of the government forces of Yemen that operate BTR-152 armored vehicles with an AK-630, or at least the GSH-6-30K anti-aircraft gun separately, installed on top. It remains unknown, though, if this weapon works or not in this configuration. Either way, it shows that mounting an AK-630 on a KAMAZ truck wasn't a totally unprecedented solution. The AK-630 is a Soviet and Russian fully automatic naval close-in weapon system based on a 6-barreled 30mm rotary cannon. In 630, 6 means 6 barrels and 30 means 30mm. It is mounted in an enclosed automatic turret and directed by radar and television detection and tracking. The system's primary purpose is defense against anti-ship missiles and other precision-guided weapons. However, it can also be employed against fixed or rotary-wing aircraft, ships and other small craft, coastal targets, and floating mines. The A-630 was one of the first ever CIWS systems. When it was developed, there were no phalanx, Dardo or goalkeeper systems. However, the long development time of the AK-630 partially negated this advantage. Once operational, this weapon system was rapidly adopted, with up to 8 units installed in every new Soviet warship, from mine hunters to aircraft carriers, and hundreds produced in total. The complete weapon system is called a Tu-13 Vimpel A, which comprises the AK-630M gun mount, Mr. 12302 fire control radar system, and SP-521 electrical optical tracker. A single MP-123 radar system can simultaneously control two guns, either two 30mm gun mounts, or two 57mm gun mounts, or one 30mm gun and one 57mm gun. The radar system can engage aerial and surface targets at 4 km and 5 km respectively. The electro-optical system can detect a MiG-21-sized aerial target 7 km away, while torpedo boat-sized surface targets can be detected at a range of up to 70 km. Features include surveillance and tracking modes, high jamming immunity, laser range finder and TV optical sight. It is in operation on almost all Russian Navy ships, from fast attack boats to the Kiev battlecruiser. The gun mount is fully automated, and can also be remotely controlled by an operator from either the control console or via a remotely mounted gun sight. It has a higher firing rate than both the Goalkeeper and Phalanx, Block 1 and older CIWS systems. Often mounted in pairs, with as many as 4 pairs mounted on the larger ships, providing an effective point defense system. However, like all gun-based CIWS, they suffer from short engagement times and the need for multiple volleys to effectively eradicate a threat. In July 2007 at IMDS 2007, a modernized version of the AK-630M1-2 was showcased by OAO AK-306 under the new name, Duet. Visually, Duet differs from Roy in having a new mount with a stealthy low RCS design compared with the more traditional rounded AK-630 mounts. In 2012 it was announced that the new Ivan Gren class landing ship would be armed with the modified AK-630M2 system.